3-minute guide, all you need to know about programming paradigms. Welcome, my awesome viewers. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the programming paradigms you need to know about. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will surely help you level up your programming skills. Firstly, let me tell you what a programming paradigm is. It's a way of thinking about programming, where we have a set of rules and concepts for creating computer programs. There are mainly 4 paradigms: procedural, object-oriented, functional, and logical. So, let's dive into each one of them in detail. Procedural programming paradigm. This is the oldest and the simplest programming paradigm. It involves writing programs in a sequential manner, where a given set of instructions are executed step by step. In this paradigm, the program is divided into smaller modules called procedures or functions. Examples of procedural languages include Fortran and C. Object-oriented programming paradigm. The next programming paradigm is object-oriented programming. This paradigm deals with creating objects which have a specific set of attributes and behavior. This approach is quite different from procedural programming concepts. In OOP, a program is built as a collection of objects that interact with each other. Examples of OOP languages include Java and Python. Functional programming paradigm. The functional programming paradigm mainly focuses on solving problems by composing functions. This programming style emphasizes on the use of immutable values and explicit function calls. It's a declarative approach to programming and helps in reducing bugs that arise due to shared state. Examples of functional languages are Clojure, Haskell, and Lisp. Logical programming paradigm. The last paradigm in our guide is logical programming. This paradigm deals with programming by specifying a set of facts and rules. It deals with the aspect of reasoning and is particularly useful in the field of artificial intelligence. The most popular logical programming language is Prolog.